In this eye-opening training, we delve into the shocking truth about retirement in 2025. We uncover what you really need to know about planning for your golden years. Are you prepared for the unexpected changes in retirement, savings, Social Security, and healthcare? Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement age, this training will offer valuable advice that can impact your financial future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. In the first video of this series, Shocking Truths About Retirement in 2025, I broke down the real facts you need to know about the looming retirement crisis in America and how to avoid the three most common retirement traps. Today, I'm going to talk about why a staggering 64% of Americans are not saving enough for their golden years and what you can do to avoid becoming part of that statistic. Watch until the end, because this could be the wake-up call that changes your financial future. So what's really going wrong? For starters, many people aren't saving early enough, or they're waiting too long to start. When you delay the practice of a consistent savings habit, you miss out on the power of compound interest and the rule of 72. And to make matters worse, if you're not saving consistently, then you're not capitalizing on the tax advantaged savings options available, which causes you to lose out on serious opportunities to grow your wealth. Now, don't click away from this training, because here's the good news. It's never too late to turn things around. For the remainder of this training, we'll focus on individual and systemic factors that contribute to the retirement savings gap faced by many Americans. You might want to rewatch this video when we're done. Let's start with one of the most common reasons people aren't saving: financial literacy. Many Americans simply don't understand how much they'll need in retirement or how compound interest could help them grow their savings faster if they start early. But it's not just about knowledge, it's also about costs. The cost of living has been steadily rising, and between housing, healthcare, and just day-to-day expenses, it's tough for a lot of people to set aside money for the future. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck, making it hard to prioritize saving. Another massive factor: debt. I'm sure many of you know the weight of student loans, credit card debt, and medical bills. For a lot of people, debt eats up whatever extra income they might have used for retirement savings. Now, here's the kicker: wages. Wages have not kept up with the cost of living. Many people are earning less in real terms than they were 20 years ago, which makes it even harder to get ahead. Add job instability like gig work or inconsistent employment, and you've got a perfect storm for falling behind on saving for retirement. Now, let's talk about pension plans and employer contributions to those pension plans. Many Americans don't have access to strong retirement plans through their employers. Some employers offer little or no match on contributions, meaning people lose out on the extra boost they could be getting to their retirement accounts. Then there's the Social Security myth. And let's be real, a lot of folks are relying on Social Security. But here's the truth. Social Security wasn't designed to be your sole source of income in retirement. So, if that's your only plan, you could be in for a serious shortfall. So, why do many Americans have less than $10,000 saved for retirement? It's a mix of financial literacy gaps, rising costs, crushing debt, stagnant wages, and reliance on social programs that just won't be enough. One thing is for sure. We need to take control of our own financial futures and not rely on others to provide for us. If you are committed to saving for retirement, or maybe you already have a retirement nest egg and you're wondering how to make it grow, watch my future videos about retirement savings secrets. And if you're a real action taker, click the link below to schedule a free consultation and start your journey today toward a confident, secure retirement.